Welcome to day 5. I'm going to give you the Flexible Mind Daily Challenge to help you step out of your comfort zone. So the word we're working with today is ground. We had a yoga practice really revolving around grounding, and now what I want you to do throughout the day at some point, I want you to really embody this essence of grounding by going outside in nature for at least 20 minutes. And when you're outside in nature, I want you to be really free of distractions. So you're not necessarily like reading a book or listening to a podcast or playing on your phone. I want you to really be outside, and I want you to take in all the sights, sounds, smells. Really make this an embodied practice by focusing on all 5 senses. So this is such a powerful practice. It's a great way to recharge. Depending on the kind of weather that you have right now, if it's warm enough, I highly recommend doing this barefoot and being barefoot on the ground, maybe just walking around for 20 minutes, or you can just bring some blankets, put them on the floor and just sit and maybe meditate for 20 minutes, or just look around and take in the sights of nature. It's so simple, but it really is a very powerful practice, and it's a great way to practice mindfulness. So even when there's not much going around, if you really attune and pay attention to your surroundings, you can start to feel the temperature, the texture of your clothing on your body, the breeze, the heat, the cold. You can really notice, is there bird song? Are the trees making any noise? The rustling of the leaves. Look at the colors, the textures, the light, the dark. Really try to take it all in, and you'll be surprised just how much information and how much stimulus is actually around us in nature, even when we're not really doing much. So grounding in nature about 20 minutes today. Super simple, doesn't cost anything, but hopefully you'll really enjoy this practice, and maybe you'll want to do this on a regular basis. So have fun with it, and we'll connect again tomorrow for your daily challenge.